Wood flooring is becoming more popular in homes and businesses all across the UK. However, due to heavy traffic or neglect, some floors can look tired and in need of some TLC. FloorFixer can make your wooden floor look like new again and protect it with advanced finishing products which have resistance to scratches. The process starts with carrying out repairs and punching down protruding nails, before sanding down to the bare wood with our powerful belt sander, which also makes the floor level. The edges and awkward corners are done with high-speed edging machines. All our machines include a powerful vacuum to extract dust. A mixture of sawdust and resin is used for general filling, and reclaimed wood fillets are used to fill larger gaps between floorboards. Special buffing machines make the surface completely smooth, ready for application of the finishing product, which can be either a water-based lacquer or hard wax oil. Whichever you choose, it will leave your floor looking great and easy to maintain too. Just look at these before and after pictures. What a transformation! Call to arrange a free survey visit now.